To construct tangents to a circle from a point outside the circle. So students, today we are going to study the third construction from chapter number 4, Geometric Constructions. I am Mrs. Ishani Dhere, Modern High School, Pune 5. So to do this construction, first we will take some radius in the compass. Mark the point P. Take some radius in your compass and draw the circle. Draw the circle. Next, now you have to draw a line passing through point P and extend it further. Draw a line. After drawing a line from point P, take some distance, for example 6 cm. If the distance is given to you in the particular sum, then that distance you have to consider. Now I am taking the distance of 7.5 cm. If it is given that you have to take 6 cm from the center of the circle, then you have to take 6 cm. Now I am taking 7.5 cm distance on the line, and at this point we will name this point as M. Line segment PM has the length 7.5 cm. Now next step is we will draw perpendicular bisector of line segment PM. For doing this, we will take the distance in your compass, that is more than half of segment PM. More than half of segment PM. Keep still point of your compass on point P and mark the arcs one above and one below respectively. One arc above and one arc below. With the same distance, keep your compass on point M and mark two arcs, one above and one below. Two arcs we are getting, we can see here the two arcs which are intersecting at one point. Now we will draw a perpendicular bisector passing through these two points. Mark arrows because this is a line. Perpendicular bisector is a line. So now we have drawn a perpendicular bisector. Here we will mark 90 degrees angle. Now next procedure is first we will label this particular point as O. Label it as O. You can give any name to the particular point. Now take the distance PO in your compass. You can take the distance OM also, both are same distances. So you can take OM or you can take the distance PO in your compass. Keep the still point of your compass on point O, and just mark two arcs which intersects our circle. Now we will draw tangents passing through this point of intersection and point M. First tangent and the second tangent. Draw the tangents properly. Now we have drawn two tangents to the given circle from the external point M. This point M is not on the circle, but it is situated externally, means outside the circle. From this point we have drawn two tangents to the circle. So mark here arrows, tangent segments. We can see, label the segments as AM and BM respectively. AM and BM respectively. Next step is measure the length of both the tangent segments. So now here it is 6.9, and from this side also, if you will see, it is 6.9. So AM and BM both are equal. AM is equal to BM is equal to 6.9 centimeter. So from this, what you can conclude? We can conclude that the tangent segments which are drawn from the external point to the circle, both the tangent segments have equal length. Thank you.